What's good, you guys? Today is vacation prep. My room looks a fucking mess, as you can see. Shein packages everywhere. So, what's on the list for today? I'm going to make myself some breakfast. I need to do laundry. I need to do all of my laundry. I have a closet full of laundry. I would show you guys, but I'm fucking embarrassed. But maybe I should just show you guys just for shits and giggles. And I have to pack. Today is Thursday, November 30th. Thank God I'm off today. I worked the past 2 days at the bar. We're leaving on our flights for Costa Rica. I have to leave my house at like 3:30 something. I'm thinking like 3:30. I'll have to go meet my friend at her sister's house. We're gonna try to get the train to New York City, Manhattan, I should say. About 4 a.m. we're gonna leave to get to Manhattan. We are leaving from Newark, New Jersey. So that's North Jersey. So we have to get to the city, and we have to get to the transit to get to the airport. Oh my God, look at this the burn wound from Thanksgiving dinner. This is what happens when you cook your ass off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Come along with me, you guys. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hey, buddy. I need to wash these little dishes, and then I'm gonna cook breakfast. So this is my breakfast. I got a shout out to my boyfriend because he the one that taught me how to make tuna like this. It's almost like if you were to make saltfish, kind of how you would make it. So this is just my mise en place. Y'all know I'm big on mise en place. I'd like to just cut up all my stuff and then start cooking. So this is celery leaf. My boyfriend always uses this. He swears that celery leaf is like a seasoning, like the leaves that come off the top of celery. Green onion, purple onion, and some orange peppers. Also have some thyme here. And gotta have lemon. I wish I had tomato. That's the other thing that I like to put in this. But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how I make it. You just put it all in the pan with some oil, and yeah. Oh, garlic is here too, of course. You know I'm a garlic fiend, so there's the garlic. Just a little bit of oil like that. Just let that heat up. I also want to get my toast ready. So if you know, you know. This is like some of the best bread. The only other bread that I like is this bread from this like Jamaican bakery that was near my old crib. But the Golden Crust Jamaican style bread will do for now. If you see this in the store, please get it. Go to like a Golden Crust and get it. So good. Air fryer. Lord, the oil a little too hot. And this is albacore in oil. Honestly, any works, but I like to get the one in oil. I'm gonna drain this off and add it in. This shit is too hot, though. It's too hot. Okay. When I tell you it don't look like much, baby, but this on some bread? Ugh, I just wish I had tomato. I have some avocado that I will have, though. Water. And I put the other half of my lemon in this water jar. Good lemon water. This is the plate. And when I say it doesn't look like much, but baby, the flavor, if you like fish, if you like tuna, yes, try this.
My Uncle Ray had Kinley and all the boys, actually. They went out and smoked a damn cigar. God, I'm so excited. They're just big old bows, but I love them. Okay. Torian in Brattleboro, Simon Miller. He's the bomb. He is so sweet. He's like this guy in his 40s, just living it up. And
so
we
good.
just have the best are my life.
We
Okay?
cozy, ain't we? I'm supposed to be doing something, Ori, but we just so cozy. We're just cozy, aren't we? Look at us, we're cozy. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you everything that I got when I went to Target and I went to the beauty supply store. First thing, new suitcase. I got me a nice little hard shell suitcase. This cost like, I think it was like $60. It says it's supposed to be for 3 to 5 days. It's a carry-on size, but I'm gonna go ahead and check it. And we're gonna try to get all my shit in there. I also did a Shein haul. I don't know if it's gonna be up by the time I put this up. One of my vacation stuff, but I did get some packing cubes from Shein, so I'll definitely have to let you guys know how those go. Now, so for my hair situation, we're natural. I guess I can take my bonnet off. Do I really want to? No. I like being in my house with my bonnet on. So I got me a couple ponytails. So I got this one, Lulu Pony Simple. It's cute or whatever. And then I also got this one. I got a question. Why don't they make yaki ponytails no more? Like, I'm gonna do with this one. But I want it to be a yaki pony. I don't want it to be this. But I'm gonna make do with this. I had ordered some ponytails off of Sam's Beauty, but I don't think they're gonna get here in time. Oh, I forgot I had this Olipop in here. Ooh, I wanna have this Olipop right now. So good. This flavor of Olipop, so good. Watermelon lime. If y'all don't know about Olipop, you drink soda. I don't drink soda. I just drink little fizzy. This is a cute little fizzy drink. And it's supposed to be like, helps with probiotics and shit. I got bug spray. I heard Costa Rica has like bad bugs, so I got some bug spray. It's all natural. It's mainly like citronella and shit. Yes. And then I got me some more shampoo and conditioner because I'm low on that, and I didn't want to take my big ass bottles of shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to get something that was like a little bit smaller, but I'm still definitely gonna need this because I'm gonna be crossing between wearing my natural hair and doing the ponytails or whatever. So got me some sunscreen. Yeah, even though I'd like to have this other sunscreen that I'm probably gonna bring. That's like not really sunscreen. It just helps you get like a cute tan, you know, and not one of those nasty tans like we used to get when we was a little kid. I got me a small bottle of cleanser, face cleanser, because I don't want to take my big cleanser. And then I got these cute little hair chopsticks. I thought these would be cute with my little ponytail looks. $1.99 from the beauty supply store. And I just got a pair of lashes. So yeah, that's that. Now you guys, I guess you can call me to do laundry if you really want to. I have to like sort all the shit out, so that's what I'm finna do right now.
I agree. I really do believe this. All right. They want to either secure you because say you have status, you know, they think that
I've turned my living room into a disaster, but we have all the clothing piles.
so we're gonna do that today.
And I have so many clothes. I haven't done clothes in like 3 weeks, I think. So yeah, now I'm gonna get my ass to laundromat. Okay, so everything is organized and in its sacks. The gray one is gonna go in my bag, and then I have to put these ones in my granny cart and make it work, girl. As you know, living in New York City, everything is a task. Doing laundry is one of those. So this is a little errands of OTG for you guys.
Zach's little sister.
Little tea from
Hilarious.
Fashion Nova.
Or what?
Workout pants from Amazon. Got my little slouchy socks and my New Balance 990s on. Sweaters like old as shit from like JCPenney. And a puffer. Put this on.
Yes.
And now we're gonna figure everything else out. Okay, so finally everything down the stairs, got in my car, and we on the way, baby. Okay, so I got my feet done. I have to show you guys later, but I had to stop by my favorite, well, not my favorite Jamaican restaurant, but a Jamaican restaurant that's near the library to get me a little food while the clothes are drying. So I'm about to put everything in the dryer now. I love this laundromat because they have free soap and free softener and dryer sheets. I just got me a little small curry chicken with white rice and cabbage. Finally done. It's a lot of clothes. That's not even half of it. The rest is over there. So this is my first time using packing cubes. I'm excited. Here's what it's looking like so far, y'all. It ain't looking like it's nothing happening yet, but packing cubes. It came with like all these. I got these from Shein for like, I think it was like $8.99 for all these different bags. Like a makeup bag that like hangs. And there's another one over there. So I'm gonna try to organize this shit based on day and activity. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so I'm doing good so far. I got all the outfits in the bag and all the bathing suits. That's what these 2 packing cubes are. And I still have a whole other side. So we made it. I feel like I'm like 80% there. These packing cubes are like amazing. I really like them. Look at the makeup bag. Like, it's so nice. And it opens like all the way up. Like, shit's nice, sturdy. Okay, so everything, this is everything. I hope it fits. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Oreo's in the back of my mind. Yeah. Giacomo, Michael, April, June. And we commit his body to the ground. Now I'm about to do my nails. And you know it's press-ons, of course. So I did my nails. So here's the nails and toes. I haven't had long nails in so long. This is kind of a lot for me because as a bartender, I really don't think it's very sanitary to have like long nails. So I really don't be having nothing on my nails. It's just kind of gross to me. So I literally just remembered I'm going on vacation on the 1st of the month. So I have to remember to pay all my bills through the time that I'm going to be on vacation. So through the 6th. So that means I need to pay at least, I got like 3 bills that I need to pay right now. Just so I don't got to worry about that. Because Lord knows December is going to be one of those months anyways. Like. So here's a tip of mine. I always write out what day my bills are on so I don't forget. And I'm so happy about this because this Synchrony bill, I don't have anymore because I finally paid off that credit card. So I'm so happy about that. So, but yeah, I'm about to edit my videos. It's like 1 in the morning. I just don't plan on going to sleep. I might take a little small nap if I get super tired, but I'm just gonna edit. The next time you guys see me, I will be in Costa Rica and it'll be a different vlog. So I'll sign off for this one. I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me for the day. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.